This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a reputable VPN that offers speed and a strict no-log policy. This protects privacy and reduces lag. Once chosen, install the app on your device and create an account so you can connect immediately. Make sure you have a working payment method for any subscription tiers. Next, select a country server where Rainbet is reachable and set it as your first connection. Now connect once to test baseline latency and confirm the VPN app shows a secure, active session. Once connected, choose the fastest server in your target country. Prefer WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP protocols for optimal throughput. Then enable the kill switch, DNS leak protection, and auto-reconnect so your session stays private if the VPN drops. You should clear your browser cache or app data to remove old location info. Make sure Rainbet's currency and account settings match the server region. Finally, log into Rainbet and perform a small test bet or balance check to confirm payments and gameplay behave as expected. To finish, verify you have a stable ping, ideally under 150 ms. If latency spikes, switch to another nearby server in the same country. Deposit a small amount first to confirm transactions work without errors and that your account behaves normally. Make sure the VPN remains connected during gameplay and enable the kill switch before higher stakes. If something goes wrong, test DNS resolution, restart the VPN app, toggle protocol between WireGuard and OpenVPN, and, as one key troubleshooting tip, temporarily disable IPv6 to stop leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.